7.1 exercise, 6th question, third subdivision. Okay, so again we need to find which type of quadrilateral it is. They have given 4 points, so let A of 4 comma 5 and B of 7 comma 6, C of 4 comma 3 and D of 1 comma 2, and we can draw the figure. So A of 4 comma 5 and B of 7 comma 6 and C of 4 comma 3 and D of 1 comma 2. Okay, we need to find all the possible distances. Okay, so now first to find the distance of AB. Distance AB. So what are the coordinates? A is 4 comma 5, B is 7 comma 6. So x1 y1 x2 y2. So AB distance is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So substitute the values. X2 minus x1 is 7 minus 4 whole square plus 6 minus 5 whole square, which is equal to root of 7 minus 4 is 3 square plus 6 minus 5 is 1 square. So value is 3 square is 9 plus 1 square is 1. We will have root 10. Root 10 we cannot simplify because we can write root 10 as a root of 2 into 5. We could not take anything as common. So leave as it is. Take this equation number 1. So we can write here we are getting root 10 units. Now we need to find the second possible distance. So distance BC, write the coordinates 7 comma 6 and C is 4 comma 3 and give the naming of that x1 y1 x2 y2. So distance of BC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So substitute the known values. Okay, x2 minus x1 is 4 minus 7 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is y2 is 3 minus 6 whole square. So 4 minus 7 is minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 6 is also minus 3 whole square, that is equal to, we can neglect the negative value because we are having even power. So minus 3 into minus 3 is 9. Similarly 3 square is also 9. We will have root 18. Root 18 can be further simplified as, we can cut it by 2. 9 2s are 18, 3 3s are 9. So this can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. We are having a pair. So we can take one outside. So 3 under root 2 units. So take this equation 2. So now we found the distance of BC as 3 root 2 units. Now we need to find the distance of CD. Coordinates 4 comma 3 and D is 1 comma 2. x1 y1 and this one is x2 y2. So distance CD is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is equal to root of x2 minus x1 is 1 minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square, that is equal to root of 1 minus 4 is minus 3 square plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1 whole square, that is equal to minus 3 square is 9 minus 1 square is 1. We will have under root 10 units. Take this equation number 3. We are getting root 10 units again. And seeing this, we are getting opposite sides are equal. Don't stop here, try to find the other distance also. Don't conclude or don't come to decision from here itself. Okay, we can think it will be a rectangle or it will be a parallelogram. Okay, after finding the distance, if DA is equal to BC distance, it may be rectangle or it may be parallelogram. Why? Because parallelogram is a tilted version of rectangle. Okay, like square and rhombus. Here in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal like rectangle, but we need to find the distance of diagonals also. If the length of the diagonals are equal, we can conclude it is a rectangle. If the length of the diagonals are not equal, we can say it is a parallelogram. So we need to find the length of diagonals also. Okay. Now we need to find the distance of DA. Distance DA. Coordinates, D coordinate is 1, 2 and A coordinate is 4, 5. 4, 5. Okay. Distance DA is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is x1, y1, and this one is x2, y2. So substitute the values 4 minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square. That is equal to root of 4 minus 1 is 3 square plus 5 minus 2 is again 3 square. That is equal to 3 square is 9, 3 square is 9. That is equal to root 18. Root 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. We can take 1 3 outside, 3 root 2 units. That is a distance of DA. This is equation number 4. So we found this is also 3 root 2 units. Opposite sides length are equal. So we could not stop here because it may be rectangle or it may be parallelogram. So there is a possibility. So we need to find the distance of AC and also BD. If the distance are equal, we can conclude it is a rectangle. Otherwise, we can conclude it is a parallelogram. Okay. Now we need to find the distance of AC. Coordinates, A coordinate is 4, 5 and C coordinate is 4, 3. x1, y1, x2, y2. So AC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is equal to root of 4 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. That is equal to root of 4 minus 4 is 0 square. So it will be 0 again. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 square. So we can leave the 0 part. Minus 2 square is root 4. That is equal to plus or minus 2. We can remove the negative value because the distance is always positive. So distance of AC is 2 units. Okay. Now we need to find the distance of BD. Distance of, let us assume this equation as 5, and distance of BD. Coordinates of B are 7, 6 and the coordinate of D are coordinates of D. What are the coordinates? 1, 2. 1, 2. This is x1, y1 and this one is x2, y2. Distance BD is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 is 1 minus 7 whole square plus 2 minus 6 whole square. That is equal to 1 minus 7 is minus 6 whole square plus 2 minus 6 is minus 4 whole square. 6 square is 36, 4 square is 16. We will get 52. Again 52 can be further simplified. 2 times 26, again 2 times 13. This can be written as root of 2 into 2 into 13. So for a pair we can take one outside. So BD distance is equal to 2 root 13 units. Take this equation number 6. From 5 and 6 the length of the diagonals are varied. Okay, not equal. So we came to conclude this is a parallelogram. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, AB is equal to BC. Sorry, AB is equal to what? AB side is equal to CD side. Okay, AB is equal to CD, and similarly BC side is equal to DA side. Okay, or AD or DA. Opposite sides are equal. Okay, opposite sides are equal, and but the diagonals AC is not equal to BD. Diagonals are not equal. So hence ABCD forms parallelogram. If a diagonal length is equal, it will be a rectangle, okay, but in this case ABCD forms a parallelogram. Okay, thank you.